Adwa certificate of confirmation. This certifies that the rite of Den Tu was joined by Sister Carolyn Parks. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Awusi, the born leader and protector, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Akosua. Akosua, Akosi, Akosiba, Asi, Osi. Born on Sunday, life renewal, given at Elmina, Ghana, West Africa on the 7th of November, 2015.
Ashe.
Ashe. So now we're not going to be calling you Carolyn. No. We're going to be calling you Akosua.
Akosua. My sister.
Okay, yeah. She is now going to be called Akosua. Child born on a Sunday. This certifies that the rite of the Den Tu is joined by Sister Cheryl Davis.
My sister.
In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Adwa, the calm and peaceful one, and she is calm. She is. Okay. She was given the name, the Akan Dwa Den soul name of Ajua. Ajua, Ajua, Ajua. Born on a Monday, peace and noble to my sister.
Ashe.
Given this day at Elmina, Ghana, West Africa on the 7th of November, 2015. This certifies that the rite of Oden Tu was joined by Sister Sharon Smith. In the spirit of our ancestors and in the name of Adwa, the calm and the peaceful, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Ajua. Born on a Monday, peaceful and noble. And you look peaceful. You are the peaceful side of that storm. Okay. Born on a Monday, given at Elmina, Ghana, West Africa on the 7th of November, 2015.
Peaceful one.
This certifies that the rite of Oden Tu was joined by Brother Urban Perry. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Adwo, fierce and compassionate one. I believe that. Fierce, I know. You ought to. I saw you took that breakfast this morning. He was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Kojo, Kwajo, or Kojo. Either pronunciation. It means he who was born on a Monday, who is calm and peaceful. Ashe?
Ashe.
Given in Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. Ashe. This certifies that the rite of Oden Tu was joined by Sister Sharon Ann Smith, Sa, given the name Yah Obinuwa. And Obinuwa being that person that is well cooked, well seasoned, cooked to perfection, mature. Ashe. I can wear it now. Born on a Thursday, strength and power, given at Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. This certifies that the rite of Oden Tu was joined by Sister Monica McGowan. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yah, the confrontational and aggressive one, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Yah. Awa Baba, Yaba, or Abba. Born on Thursday of strength and power. Given at Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa on the 7th of November, 2015.
Yeah.
This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Sister Camille Bennett in the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yahweh, the confrontational and aggressive one. Yes. And was given the Akan Praden soul name of Yahweh. Woo! Awa, Baba, Yaba, Abba. Born on Thursday of strength and power, given this day at Itri, Elmina, on the 7th day of November, 2015.
Yeah.
This certifies that the rite of Odentu was joined by Brother Jonathan Smith in the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yah, the confrontational and aggressive one, and was given the Akan Praden soul name of Yao. Yao, Yaba, Yeo, Echo, Kao, Hawaii. Born on Thursday of strength and power, given at Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. This certifies that the rite of Aden was joined by Sister Nadia Anderson in the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Afi. Afi, the adventurous, creative, and innovative one, was given the Akan Praden soul name of Afia, Efua, Afi, Afia, Efia. These are all the different ways that you spell your name, but they all mean the same. Born on Friday, diligent and productive. Given at Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Brother Ross Marvin in the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Adwo, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Praden soul name of Kofi or Fifi. Born on a Friday, diligent, productive.
Yes.
Given this day in Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015.
Yeah, Shay.
Ya Rastafari. Yes, Selassie. This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Sister Efiniwa Ya Asantiwa. Oh, yes, indeed. Hey, oh! In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Afi, the adventurous, creative, and innovative one, was given the Akan Praden soul name of Amma, Ami, Amba. Born on Saturday, the master, or the mistress, and the wise one. Given this day at Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. This certifies that the rite of Oden was joined by Sister Elizabeth Russell in the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Afi, the adventurous, creative, and innovative one, was given the Akan Praden soul name of Amma, Ami, Amba. Any one of those ways you can spell your name. It means born on a Saturday, the mistress, the master, the wise one. Given this day in Elmina, Itri, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. This certifies that the rite of Odin was joined by Sister Kennedy Johnson.
Kennedy!
Oh, Kennedy. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of our feet, the adventurous, creative, and innovative one, was given the Akan Praden soul name of Amma. Amma. Born on a Saturday, the mistress, the master, the wise one.
Yes, yes.
Given in Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2003.
Okay. Ama.
This certifies that the rite of them two was joined by Sister Lori B.T.
Lari.
in the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Afi, the adventurous, creative, innovative one, was given the Akan Traden soul name of Amma. Amma, Mame, Amba. Born on Saturday, the mistress and the wise one, given this day in Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2003.
Ashe.
This certifies that the rite of Odin was joined by Brother Omar Clyburn. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Adi, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Kwame. Kwame. Born on Saturday, the master, the wise one, given at Itri, Elmina, Ghana, West Africa, on the 7th of November, 2015. Ashe?
Amen.
Derek! This certifies that the rite of Odin, too, was joined by Brother Derek Word. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Odwo, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Dragden soul name of Kwame. Born on a Saturday, master, wise one, given this day in Itri Elmina on the 7th of November, 2015.
Amen.
All right, Kwame. So we now all have our new names. We almost do. We're almost finished. We ain't quite finished yet. We'll finish in a minute. You know, when you go to church, and you want to get baptized, you're going to dump in some water. So we definitely going to get a little water on us, and that will complete our ceremony. But before we do that, I want you to hold hands, and I want you to close your eyes. Hold each other's hands and close your eyes. And I know that my sister, you went through this before. So I want